Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get PayPal pending money faster. PayPal sometimes holds funds for various reasons, but there are clear steps you can take to speed up the process. We'll cover why these holds happen and practical ways to get your money into your available balance more quickly. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce waiting times for your payments. PayPal holds payments for several reasons, primarily to ensure transaction security and buyer protection. New sellers, for instance, often have funds held for up to 21 days until they establish a positive selling history. High-value sales or unusual activity can also trigger a review. Understanding these common scenarios is the first step to proactively managing your funds. To speed up fund release, always provide tracking information for physical items as soon as they ship. For services or digital goods, mark the order as processed or shipped in your PayPal account. Prompt communication with your buyer is also crucial. Confirm delivery and address any concerns quickly. These actions can often release funds within 24 hours of delivery confirmation. For long-term success and faster access to funds, maintain excellent seller ratings and customer satisfaction. Avoid sudden, large increases in sales volume that might appear unusual. Always link and confirm a bank account to your PayPal for smoother, quicker transfers once funds are available. Responding promptly to any PayPal requests for information can also prevent unnecessary delays in accessing your money.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.